Children, now let us discuss about the numerical problems based on the mirror formula and magnification formula for spherical mirrors. Now you know what is mirror formula. What is that mirror formula? That is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Here u is the object distance, v is the image distance and f is the focal length. So next, magnification formula. What is magnification formula? That is m is equals to h dash by h. Here m is the magnification, h dash is the height of the image, h is the height of the object. Or it is again m is equals to minus v by u. Here v is the image distance and u is the object distance. So you can write m is equals to h dash by h is equals to minus v by u. By using the formula for mirrors and magnification formula, we can solve many numerical problems based here. So let us discuss the problems here. Before solving numerical problems by using mirror formula and magnification formula for spherical mirrors, you must know the sign convention for spherical mirrors. Here there is a chart for sign convention for spherical mirrors. Here let us see the sign for focal length, object distance, image distance, height of the object, height of the image, magnification for concave mirror and convex mirror. First you know the sign for focal length. Focal length f is always negative for concave mirror and positive for convex mirror. Focal length f is negative for concave mirror and positive for convex mirror. Object distance. Object distance u is negative for both concave mirror and convex mirror. That is, u is negative for both concave and convex mirror. Image distance. Image distance depends upon the nature of the image. If the nature of image is virtual, it is taken as positive for both concave mirror and convex mirror. For virtual image, the image distance is positive for both concave and convex mirror. And if the image is real, then the image distance is taken as negative for both concave mirror and convex mirror. So for concave and convex mirror, for virtual image, the image distance is positive. For real image, the image distance is negative. Height of the object. Object is always above the principal axis. Therefore, height of the object is taken as positive for both concave mirror and convex mirror. Height h of the image object is taken as positive for both concave and convex mirror. Next, height of the image h dash. Height of the image h dash. It is positive for erect image and negative for inverted image. Positive for erect image and negative for inverted image. For both the concave and convex mirror, it is positive for erect image and negative for inverted image. Magnification. If here magnification is positive for virtual and erect image for both concave and convex mirror and negative for real and inverted for both concave and convex mirror. In this way, by using all these sign convention, here you can solve the problems based on the mirror formula and magnification formula. Take the first question. An object of size 5 cm is placed at a distance of 25 cm from the pole of the concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Calculate the distance and size of the image so formed. What will be the nature of the image? Here it is given that an object of size 5 cm means that is the size of the object, h is given, and it is placed at a distance of 25 cm means the object distance u is given and the radius of curvature, that is r, is given, and we have to find out distance of the image, that is v, and size of the image, that is h dash. And next we have to discuss about the nature of the image. Here you note down u is equals to that is the object distance. Object distance is always taken as negative, that is minus 25 centimeter, and size of the object, that is h is equals to 5 centimeter, and radius of curvature r is equals to 30 centimeter. You know that the radius of curvature for concave mirror is taken as negative, so you write it is 30 centimeter, and here f is not given, f you will get, and then image distance v we have to find out, and size of the image h dash we have to find out. V is equals to question mark, h dash is equals to question mark. Now you get f. The focal length is not given, radius of curvature is given. You know the relation between the radius of curvature and focal length. Focal length is half of the radius of curvature. Therefore, you find f is equals to r by 2, that is r is minus 30 centimeter by 2, that is equals to minus 50 centimeter. Then you write the formula for mirror, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f here, that is 1 by u 1 by minus 25 plus 1 by v is not given, 1 by f, that is 1 by minus 15, and write it correctly, that is it is minus 1 by 25 plus 1 by v as it is, and it is minus 1 by 15. Now you to get v, you write 1 by v here and transfer the minus 1 by 25 to the RHS, that is 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25 it is. Minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. So 1 by v is equals to, better to take negative, 1 by 25 minus 1 by 15. You exchange the positive and negative to make for your convenience. Next 1 by v is equals to, take the LCM of 25 and 15. 25 and 15, that is here first you take the smallest prime number, that is 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 1s are. So the product is here 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. So the LCM is 75. You write as a denominator. And you know that 25 3s are 75, therefore 1 3s are 3 minus 15 5s are 75, 1 5s are 5. So it becomes 1 by v is equals to 3 minus 5 by 75. 1 by v is equals to, then it is minus 2 by 75. So you write v is equals to, it becomes minus 75 by 2, divide 75 by 2, that is 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14, then it is 2 5s are. So v is equals to minus 37.5, negative 37.5 centimeter. Therefore, the image distance is 37.5 centimeter from the mirror it is. The next here, as it is negative means, here v is a negative, so it is real image. V is negative, therefore it is real image. Next, size of the image. To get the size of the image, that is m is equals to h dash by h. Here only you know h, you don't know m, therefore you write the relation minus v by u. So h dash by h is equals to minus V by U, then H dash by size of the object is 5 centimeter here, minus V. V is the image distance, that is minus 37.5. U is the object distance, that is 25. Then it is minus 25. H dash is equals to minus of, it is minus 37.5, because V is equals to minus 37.5. So it is 37.5 minus of minus plus, it becomes into 5 by minus 25. Minus of minus plus, H dash is equals to 5 ones are that is minus 7.5. So H dash is equals to minus 7.5 centimeter. H dash is minus 7.5 centimeter, means here H dash is negative, means it must be an inverted image, and the size of the image is 7.5 centimeter. So here it is real and inverted image. Distance of the image is 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. Size of the image (7.5 centimeter). Nature of the image, real and inverted. Now the second question, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. Here the object distance is given, that is 10 centimeter, and focal length of the convex mirror is given, that is 15 centimeter. Here we have to find out the position and nature of the image. So you write the object distance U is equals to, it is negative for convex mirror and also for concave mirror. Now you write minus 10, it is U is equals to minus 10, and focal length is given, that is F is equals to 15 centimeter. Here U is equals to minus 10 centimeter, F is equals to 15 centimeter. Because it is a convex mirror, the focal length is to be taken as 15 centimeter, that is positive 15 centimeter. Next question mark is for V. U is equals to minus 10 centimeter, F is equals to 15 centimeter, V is equals to question mark. Then you write the formula 1 by U plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. Then 1 by U is here minus 10 plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by 15. Then write the 1 by minus 10 as minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by 15. 1 by V is equals to 1 by 15 plus, transfer this minus 1 by 10 to the RHS, that becomes 1 by 10. Now 1 by V is equals to, here take the LCM of 15 and 10. Right, 10 and 15 here. So it is 2 5s, write 15 as it is. Then 3, write 5 as it is, 3 5s, and 5 1s. So you got 1 and 1 on both the side here. So the product of these 3, that is 2 3 are 6, 6 5 are 30. The LCM is 30. You write here as a denominator 30. So you know that 15 2s are 30. So 1 2s are 2. Plus 10 3s are 30. 1 3s are 3. Then it becomes 1 by V is equals to 5 by 30. 1 by V is equals to 5 by 30. 5 1s are 5 6s are. So 1 by V is equals to, therefore 1 by V is equals to 1 by 6 and V is equals to 6 centimeter. Here V is equals to 6 centimeter and is positive. So it is behind the mirror at 6 centimeter from its pole, and the nature of the image is virtual and erect. As it is positive, it is virtual and erect. So let us write image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect, and it is, and the position of the image is, position of the image is 6 centimeter from the mirror, behind from the mirror, and the image is behind the mirror. The image is behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Take the third problem. An object of size 70 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen placed so that the sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. Here what are given? Object size is given, that is 70 centimeter, and its distance, object distance from the mirror is given, that is in front of the mirror, so it is 27 centimeter, and focal length of the concave mirror is given, that is 18 centimeter. What we have to find out? At what distance from the mirror should a screen placed? Means it is nothing but a distance of the image, and size and nature of the image is also to be find out. Now, so what are given? Note down that. Here object size means you write h is equals to 70 centimeter, and it is placed at a distance of 27 centimeter in front of the concave mirror, that is u is equals to minus 27 centimeter, that is object distance is always negative, and focal length of the concave mirror, that is also taken to be negative. So you write f is equals to minus 18 centimeter, and here what you have to find out? Distance of the image, u is equals to question mark, and also size of the image, that is h dash is equals to question mark, and use the mirror formula. Right, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. 1 by u, that is minus 27, plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, that is minus 1 by 18. Next you write 1 by minus 27 as minus 1 by 27 plus 1 by v is equals to, that is minus 1 by 18, and 1 by v is equals to, transfer this minus 1 by 27 to the RHS, that is 1 by 27, minus 1 by 27 becomes plus 1 by 27, plus 1 by, minus 1 by 18, minus 1 by 18. Then 1 by v is equals to, here we must take the LCM of 27 and 18. You take 27 and 18. So you divide it by first 2, 27 as it is, 2 9s are. Next you divide it by 3. 3 9s are 3 3s are. Then 3 3s are 3 1s are. So 3 1s are. You got 1 1. Next the product of this is 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are 54. Then 27 2s are 54. 1 2s are 2. Minus 18 3s are 54 and 1 3s are. So it is 2 minus 3 by 54. 1 by V is equals to minus 1 by 54. Therefore, V is equals to minus 54 it is. You can take V is equals to 54 by minus 1. Therefore, V is equals to minus 54. So, V is equals to minus 54. Here, the distance of the image is at 54 centimeter in front of the mirror, in front of the concave mirror, because it is negative. Negative means it must be in front of the mirror. And let us find the size of the image here, that is h dash. You know that h dash by h is equals to minus v by u, that is m is equals to h dash by h is equals to minus v by u. So here h dash by h is, that is given, that is 70 here, 70 you write, 70, that is equals to minus v you got, that is minus of 54, and u is the object distance, that is minus 27, minus 27. So h dash by 70 is equals to minus of minus 54 is 54 by minus 27. Then h dash is equals to 54 by minus 27 into 70. 27 ones are 27, minus 2s are. Then it is h dash is equals to, you got 72s are minus 140, minus 140 centimeter. So the size of the image is here 140 centimeter, and it is negative means it must be inverted. Negative means it must be inverted. So size of the image is equals to 140 centimeter, and nature of the image, is, here it is enlarged image, and it is in front of the mirror, means that is real, inverted and enlarged, real, inverted and enlarged. Large image. And the next size of the image is 140 centimeter. Nature of the image, real, inverted and enlarged image. Position of the image, position of the image, you know the image distance, that is minus 54 centimeter, it is minus 54. So it is 54 centimeter, 54 centimeter in front of the mirror. The fourth question, an object is kept in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. The image formed is 3 times the size of the object. Calculate the two possible distances of the object from the mirror. Here the focal length of the concave mirror is given, and it is given that size of the image is 3 times the size of the object. And here we have to find out the object distance in two cases. You know that here the nature of the image is not given. the nature of the image may be real or virtual. If real image is to be found means you must keep the object at one place, and if you want to get the virtual image then the object must be at different place. So first let us take the focal length. The focal length of the concave mirror is to be considered as negative. So you take f is equals to minus 20 centimeter. Then size of the image is 3 times the size of the object. So here h dash is the size of the image, that is equals to 3 times the size of the object. H dash is equals to 3h. Therefore h dash by h is equals to 3. Therefore m is equals to h dash by h is equals to 3. The magnification is here 3. And so let us take the first case. If the image formed is real, if the image is real, then we know that the magnification is minus, that is negative 3 for the real image. So you have to take m is equals to minus 3 for the real image. Then that is m is equals to, in terms of object distance and image distance, minus v by u is equals to minus 3. So it becomes v by u is equals to 3, that is v is equals to 3u. v is equals to 3u. Consider that is the first year. Now you write the mirror formula, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. 1 by u plus 1 by v means 1 by 3u is equals to 1 by, that is minus 20. 1 by minus 20, you can write it as minus 1 by 20. Then it becomes 1 by u plus 3u. If you take the LCM here, the LCM becomes 3u, and u into 3 is 3u. So you write 1 into 3 is 3 plus 1, that is minus 1 by 20. Then that is 4 by 3u is equals to minus 1 by 20. Then 4 20 is a 80 is equals to minus 3u. So you take minus 3u is equals to 80. u is equals to minus 80 by 3 it becomes. That is equals to, u is equals to, if you divide it 80 by 3, that is you will get minus 27.67. So the object must be placed at a distance of 26.67 centimeter in front of the mirror. That is u is equals to minus 26.67 centimeter. If the image formed is virtual. Second case, if the image formed is virtual. Image formed is virtual. So here m we have to take plus 3, that is m is equals to minus v by u is equals to 3. Therefore v is equals to minus 3u. So consider first for this. Then you write the formula for mirror. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. 1 by u plus 1 by v means here minus 3u is equals to 1 by f means 1 by minus 20, that is minus 1 by 20. Then here again it becomes, the LCM is minus 3u. u into minus 3 is minus 3u. So it is minus 3. 1 into minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 20, that is minus 2 by minus 3u is equals to minus 1 by 20. So 2 by 3u is equals to minus 1 by 20. Then becomes 40 is equals to minus 3u. Do the cross multiplication. 2 into 20 is equals to minus 1 into 3u. So minus 3u is equals to 40. U is equals to 40 by minus 3, that is nothing but minus 40 by 3. So it is equals to, we'll get minus 13.33 centimeter. So these are the two places. See the fifth question. A burning candle is placed 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Find the nature and position of the image formed. Here a candle is placed 20 centimeter in front of concave mirror, means that becomes the u, that is object distance. U is equals to minus 20 centimeter, and focal length of concave mirror, that is f is equals to, for concave mirror it is minus 10 centimeter. For concave mirror the focal length is negative, so f is equals to minus 10 centimeter. And here we have to find out the nature and position of the image. Position of the image means, that is v is equals to question mark. V is equals to question mark. Write the mirror formula. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. 1 by u, that is 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by minus 10. So it is minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by 10. Then 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. So it is 1 by v is equals to, you take 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10 for your convenience. Then here the LCM of 20 and 10 is 20 only, because you know that 20 is in the table of 10. 10 2s are 20, so 20 becomes the LCM. 20 1s are 20, 1 1s are 1, minus 10 2s are 20, 1 2s are 2. So 1 by v is equals to, it becomes minus 1 by 20. Then v becomes, v is equals to minus 20. V is equals to minus 20. So the position of the image is minus 20, means the position of the image is in front of the mirror 20 centimeter away from the pole, and here it is negative, means v is negative, means it is real and inverted image. It is real and inverted image. So you write position of the image 20 centimeter away from the mirror in front of it. 20 centimeter away from the mirror in front of it. And v is negative, means it is real and inverted. Nature of the image. Nature is real and inverted. Real and inverted. Now you come to the sixth question. An object is placed at a distance of 4 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 1 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. Here the object distance u is equals to minus 4 cm, and the focal length is 1 centimeter. That is for the concave mirror it is to be taken as negative. So f is equals to minus 1 centimeter. And here we have to find the position and nature of the image. Position means the distance of the image is equals to question mark. Now you write the formula, that is the mirror formula, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. 1 by minus 4 plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by minus 1. That is nothing but minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by 1. Then 1 by v is equals to, you take 1 by minus 1 by 4 to the RHS, that is here 1 by 4 minus 1 by 1. Then it is 1 by v is equals to, the LCM is 4. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 ones are 4, 1 ones are 1. 1 fours are 4 minus 1 fours are 4 it is. Then 1 by v is equals to minus 3 by 4. Then v is equals to 4 by minus 3, that is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 is equals to, that is 4 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 is remaining, put 0, 3 threes are 9, 1 is remaining, again 3 is repeating here. So you write 1.33, so on. The image distance is 1.33, that is minus 1.33. Minus 1.33. And the nature of the image. Here the nature of the image is, as it is negative, it is a mirror in front of, it is an image in front of the mirror, that is a real image, and it is also inverted image. So v is equals to minus 1.33. So you write the position of the image is position of the image is 1.33 cm in front of the mirror, in front of the mirror, and it is real and inverted. So what is the nature of the image? That is real and inverted. Real and inverted. So this is about some example we can solve with the help of the mirror formula.